Okay, so this is our first example for RC combinations. As you can see in the problem, this is not a series RC, this is not a parallel RC, but rather it is a parallel series combination. The problem states that, and here is how you will read these notations, no? The value of I at time t is equal to 0 before the switch is open is 2 amperes. You are then required to obtain the voltage across the capacitor before the switch is open, the voltage across the capacitor just after the switch is open, and what is the charging current across the capacitor right after the switch is open. The notation for time t is equal to 0 negative, time t is equal to 0 positive. This is before the switching action takes place, and at time t is equal to 0 positive after the switching action takes place. In this case, the switching action is being open. Okay, so if we will start, and before you start, by the way, you always assume that in a problem like this, even though it is not specified prior to the opening of the switches or closing of the switches, the circuit is already attained its steady state condition. If that is the case, if it is in steady state, your capacitor is already fully charged. Okay, so at time t is equal to 0 negative, at time t is equal to 0 negative, your capacitor is fully charged. If it is fully charged, this will act like an open circuit. Okay, so if it is an open circuit, it will look like this. Ayan. This is 26 ohms, 1/20 farad, and 4 ohms. This is now your plus and minus. This is the voltage across the capacitor just before the switch is open. So this is at time t is equal to 0 negative. This is your I just before the switch is open. Okay, the initial value of I just before the switch is open is already given, that is 2 amperes. So we can obtain the voltage across your capacitor. For those of you who are asking how are you going to determine if this terminal is positive or the other one is negative, all you have to do is to trace back where this terminal is connected. You take the shortest route. That will tell you what polarity orientation is this. This is the shortest route, and it is connected to the positive terminal of the source. Okay, the same is true, of course, if the other terminal is already positive, automatically the remaining terminal is the negative terminal. If you try to apply your KVL in this closed path, okay, KVL at loop 1, that will give you positive 20, okay, minus 6 times I at time t is equal to 0 negative minus the voltage across your capacitor at time t is equal to 0 negative is 0. This is already given. Yan. So this is 20 minus 6 times 2 minus the voltage across the capacitor at time t is equal to 0 negative is 0. So the voltage across your capacitor at time t is equal to 0 negative is 8 volts. Okay? One of the properties for a capacitor is to retain its voltage. Meaning, whatever voltage across the capacitor terminals at time t is equal to 0 negative is always the same value just after the switch is moved. V sub C at time t is equal to 0 negative is the same value of V sub C at time t is equal to 0 positive, and that is 8 volts. Okay, so you already have the value, the answer. Next, how about for your IC? IC stands for the charging current in the capacitor. At time t is equal to 0 positive. Okay, so let us move. At time t is equal to 0 positive. Okay, the switch is already open. This is 20, 6 ohms, 4 ohms. Okay, plus and minus. This is the voltage across your capacitor at time t is equal to 0 positive. Just like what I have said a while ago, the voltage across your capacitor at time t is equal to 0 positive is the same as the voltage across your capacitor just before the switching action takes place, and that is 8 volts. Okay, the charging current in the capacitor at time t is equal to 0 positive, this is your IC at time t is equal to 0 positive. What is the value of this? As you can see, we already have here an open circuit. So the current through an open circuit is understood to be 0. Okay? That is how you will analyze an RC. Not in particular connected in series or connected in parallel. Okay?